Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to know a new coin listing on Kucoin. Let's begin. Now, the first thing you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Kucoin, click on the sign up option, and from here just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Okay, so new coin listings often present opportunities for traders and investors to participate in the early stages of a project. That's why knowing about new coin listings on Kucoin can be potentially beneficial from price fluctuations and market movements, right? Because learning about new coin listings allows users to diversify their cryptocurrency. And of course, you have the opportunity to explore and invest in a wider range of assets. Not only that, being aware of new coin listings can help users stay informed about emerging trends and developments within the cryptocurrency market. So, how do we know new coin listings here in the app? All we have to do is just go here at this option, More. Okay, now click on Announcement. All right, and you will be forwarded to a new page, and from here these are the announcements that could help you stay informed about Kucoin's latest promotions, including exclusive token listings. Now all you have to do is click on the left side panel of your dashboard and click on new listings, and from here you would be able to see if there are, of course, new coin listings in Kucoin. All right, so as you can see, Renzo RES gets listed on Kucoin for the world premiere. MSN gets listed on Kucoin. All right, there's a new launching of the USDT margin MSN contract. Relio Network or Rio gets listed on Kucoin, and Kucoin Future has launched the USDT margin PRCL contract. And the Gameta, which is HIP, gets listed on Kucoin world premiere, and the Safe gets listed on Kucoin as well. So these are one of the reasons, or one of the ways for you to know new coin listings on Kucoin. Now, if by any chance you are having problems getting to have new listings option here on your Kucoin, all you have to do is just go here at the Kucoin Help Center, all right, and try to check if there's a topic that suits your situation, or otherwise click on the Kucoin's Emilia virtual assistant and ask her if there's other way for you to know new coin listings on Kucoin. Okay, and that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.